Hi, good evening. My name is Walkeria Davis. I'm taking this wellness class as a requirement for my current major, which is health administration management. My idea for my project was along the lines of mental health and trying to seek out therapeutic mentors for young teenagers. I noticed that there is a lot of teen suicide, and I'm thinking that the reason why is because there's a lot of depression that is not diagnosed among these children. Because I think somewhere along the lines, parents, teachers are missing the fact that children, teenagers, they are people also. They have the same emotions that we do, and they go through a whole lot more changes at that time in their life where their hormones are just all over the place. So I think that if they were to at least give a questionnaire out in the school for every student, like a quarterly base, just to check where everyone's mental status is at that time period, then they would have a better grasp on who has depression, who may have underlying depression, and make sure, everyone's mental status is where it should be and that everyone is understanding their kids as a whole and not just think, okay, they're going to school every day, they're fine. Because honestly, that's not real reality. Not everybody has happy kids. Honestly, living in New England, a lot of us are vitamin D depression, and everyone ends up with that term sad, because mental issue is something that people don't really pay close attention to. They may just think that they're having a bad day, but sad is a real thing. So I thought that by developing some level of program with mentorship and complete and constant review of those who may have scored pretty high for having depression would be useful in the community, considering mental health is one of those things that really does fall underneath the cracks and falls through the cracks, rather. Um, I hope that with this wellness class that I am able to actually execute my program and actually have it put out into the community, because I'm a mother of teenagers and I wish that there was actually a program like that to help my kids, because my kids, honestly, they have ADHD and they go through their moods. They're on medication, and what I notice even with their pediatrician is that they never gave them a type of questionnaire to question whether or not they're depressed or not. They just kind of say, here, try these meds. So I would really love to see that this program be established and flourish in the community. Um, Thanks for hearing my pitch, I guess, and hope everyone has a great night.